Hello and welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a report in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Clickup application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the top menu bar you can see Create a Doc option. Click on it or just go to New and go to Doc. From here, prepare your report, then click to Create Doc. Then your document will be created. Then you can export your report. This is how you can create report in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.